YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, Sparkle Dump. I'm probably never gonna say that again, or I might. It might grow on me. Your boy. It's your boy Sparkle Dump. It's your boy. Meh. I'm great. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I got at auction. So, last few months I've been kind of going crazy with ordering things on online auctions. I've been going to AuctionZip a lot, and I've been ordering things and making some rookie mistakes, to be honest. I've ended up paying, obviously I thought about the shipping, but I didn't think about the shipping in how much I would make a profit on the items I bought them for. That sentence made zero sense. What I'm trying to say is I took into account shipping, but I really didn't. So with most of the stuff I bought at auction, I'm at least going to break even. Some of it I've made a profit on already, which is great. Some of it I've doubled, tripled my money, which is fantastic. I'll do a more in-depth video and show you guys like all my inventory. I don't want to show you too much of the garage yet because that's going to be part of another video where you see the before and after of me transforming my garage into this eBay haven. But for now, I wanted to show you guys the content of some of the auctions that I bought that just came in the mail, and we can open them together because I forgot what I got. So it'll be an open box for me as well. I can't look at the camera on this phone. I have to look at like the corner by the record button, which makes zero sense, or look at the screen. Like right now, I'm just looking at myself talking. Looking in the lens is just weird to me, which I guess means I'd be great in Hollywood because you're not supposed to look at the lens, am I right, girls? Yes, this video is for women only. Okay, so without further to-do, I'm going to show y'all what I got at auction, and I don't even know what it is. Okay, here's the box. I got my little space heater on. By the way, it's like 25 degrees out. Quick turn, whoosh. I got this handy dandy little heater that plugs in, and the problem is that it's over there by the wall. My eBay station is directly behind me, so it takes forever to heat up, so I'm wasting energy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get an extension cord. Now this is a special high voltage plug-in. Luckily the previous homeowner liked to work on his car, so we had high voltage electrical outlets installed. Unfortunately, they're right by the garage door, and there's a crack up there, so cold air escapes in and heat escapes out. Okay, back to what I was talking about. I know I ordered some Care Bears, so gotta take care not to cut them up. Okay, let me break the seal. Okay, now we can get a good picture. Oh yeah. Okay, so I actually called about this today because I hadn't received these, and I won this auction on the 5th. So got this weird Harley Quinn tank top, which I didn't realize not tank top. Well, yeah, is that a girl's tank top or a sports bra? Halter top? I don't know. Let's set these over here. I got some jeans. Now these jeans I don't think have original tags on, but they're, you know, I got a jean skirt here. What's the brand on this? Now I paid like $12 for all of this, so I didn't spend a lot. So the shipping to me was worth it. So these are Exhilaration. I don't know that brand. Might be worth something. Ladies, comment in the section below, or men if you're a jean guy. I got these. Now these are Old Navy. Not a big deal. I'm probably gonna give these to Goodwill, to be honest. I don't think they're worth posting. Old Navy is not worth listing on eBay by any means. These does not have original tags, but some of the stuff does, so I'm excited about this. So this is a weird, looks like a Banksy kind of print, a dude with a gas mask riding a bike. It is a Banksy. It says Obey. So a little bit about the Obey brand. That is Andre the Giant, that iconography. And Nordstrom used to sell some really nice Obey shirts, and it was my favorite t-shirt of all time. And this might actually be worth something. It's an Obey, it's an extra large. Who knows, I might keep this. I'm fitting in an extra large now. I'd lost some weight, so. All right, here's where the money comes in, hopefully. Now I think these are Ed Hardy hats. These came from a government surplus auction. I think these were all busted from like a drug dealer's house. And if I pop this open here, so this says bingo. I thought it said Negro for a minute, or Negro. But this says dedicated to the one I love. It looks like Ed Hardy, and it should say JFH headwear. It doesn't say Ed Hardy anywhere, but it's got the original backing in it. So I'm gonna do a quick, oh, here we go. Yeah, JFH headwear, nothing else. So I don't know what I'm gonna get for these, but luckily I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these with original tags. So I'll list it once and sit back and hopefully make money, even if it takes a while. I'm gonna set those over there. All right, let's look at this next. Some more shorts. Weird. Okay, Quicksilver shorts. Not bad. I can probably sell these or keep these depending on the size. I feel weird buying stuff from a drug dealer's house. These are size 28. There's no way I'm ever fitting in a 28 waist. Ever, unless I get AIDS. So that's gonna go there. Okay, what do we got here? Some more jeans. Now these are Aeropostale. Not bad, but not great. Not my style for sure. I don't like this like zebra striping on them. And I think these are women's anyway. Let's see. Slim boot cut, 36-30. I mean, I could wear these. I'm a 36-32 and they're massively wide. Like these are not attractive. So these are going to Craigslist, not Craigslist, Goodwill, unless I do a Google search, an eBay search and find out they're worth something else. All right, here's another lot of hats. I've also learned something that when you look at stuff online, the pictures do not do it justice, and not in a good way. They take very minimal pictures, and the pictures are always, things are always dingy and gnarly when you get them, even if they look great. So there's a New York hat. It's got a hologram. It says Skips, large. I don't know anything about hats. So simple, clean, genuine headwear. This looks like it's older. I'm gonna scan this barcode and find out how old this model is. This is a large, made in China, acrylic, Skips hat, never before worn. Oh, I've got more of these bingo hats. So this is cool. This is like a vintage dirty, but it's still got the thing on the top. So this is a dirty hat. I know people keep the tags on because it looks cool. Some more of these bingo hats, some more of these like New York hats that have all been worn, but they're all pretty cool, to be honest. Brooklyn. So we'll see. I'm gonna list these individually and see what I get for them. Set these over here. All right, set these bingo hats. So I've got like 12 of those now. Okay, let's look at these. We got a Bullwinkle here, a Bullwinkle action or plush with a cape. Hey, Rocky, hey. So that's that guy. And then we got a ton of stuffed animals, and I only remember bidding on Care Bears, so they threw in a bunch of extra that just must not have sold. So a bunch of vintage Care Bears. I remember these. I remember that little tiny button on the back. I had these growing up in the early 80s. I was born in 79. This is really dirty. I don't even think I'm gonna mess with this. It's going straight to Goodwill. I don't know what this is either. I'm sure someone knows what this is. It might even say it on the tag, but I don't think it's from a specific franchise. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Surface washable only. So if I wanted to clean it up, I'd have to do it in the sink. Just a bunch of Care Bears, vintage Care Bears. This is a handmade Care Bear. They used to sell these kits. You could print them out, or not print them out, but you buy the cloth and then you could sew it together yourself. So just all these Care Bears, and it's a pretty cool lot, to be honest. I'm debating listing these as an auction, as all of them together, or listing them individually. And I'm probably gonna do them individually and then accept best offer, because I really didn't pay very much for this whole box. I'd say there's probably 20 to 25 vintage Care Bears and a few random stuffed animals in here. And this bonus Bullwinkle. It's hilarious. I was not expecting to see that. I'm wondering if they slipped anything in the bottom there. Now this Care Bear is dirty. I might wash it because people aren't going to want to pay for that. And I'm wondering if it'll be easy to clean without damaging anything. If it's worth cleaning too. So yeah, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish I'd recorded yesterday when I unloaded literally like 5 boxes full of stuff, and you can see a little sneak peek here of everything I got at auction, which I'll show you the prices I got for everything eventually. And I can't wait to do the reveal of the before and after of the garage. It's gonna look so awesome. Thanks for watching, bye.